Before buying a new refrigerator, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. If you don't get the measurements right, you could end up with a fridge that just doesn't fit.
Product number 1, Kitchen Conversion Chart Magnet by Buruji, priced at just $5.99. This caught my eye because it's a handy tool for anyone cooking in the kitchen. If you want quick and easy measurements while you're whipping up meals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This magnet measures 8.58 by 6.65 inches, making it big enough to read easily while you're in the middle of cooking. It provides conversions for dry and liquid weights, volumes, and temperatures, from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So no more guessing if your oven is at the right temperature. Plus, it sticks firmly to your fridge with its strong magnetic backing. Honestly, it's a lifesaver for those who want to avoid measuring mishaps. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit too small for larger kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're in a busy kitchen, this magnet is still easy to spot when you need it most. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself needing quick measurements while cooking. Skip this one if you need something more extensive, like detailed cooking guides. Now, if that magnet size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Kitchen Conversion Chart Set from Gethelud, also priced at $5.99. What caught my attention is that it includes 2 magnetic and 2 sticky sheets, plus 68 waterproof blank labels, making it ideal for any kitchen. If you want a comprehensive conversion reference at your fingertips, this is a must-have. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This set covers all the essential conversions for baking and cooking, from cups to ounces, and even meat temperature guidelines. This means you'll never have to pause to check your phone mid-recipe again. Plus, the waterproof materials ensure that spills won't ruin your charts. The blank labels are a nice touch too, allowing you to personalize your cooking experience. Now, some users mentioned the paper sheets could wear out quickly. I get that concern, but honestly, if you treat them with care, they'll serve you well. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting in the kitchen and want a detailed guide. Skip this if you prefer something more durable that can withstand heavy use. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for visibility.
Product number 3, Extra Large Kitchen Conversion Chart Magnet by AKS Magnets, priced at $9.95. This one genuinely surprised me with its size and readability. If you want a chart that's easy to read at a glance, this is a great option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This magnet is a whopping 11 by 8.5 inches, making it senior-friendly and easy on the eyes. It covers a wide range of conversions, from teaspoons to gallons, and even includes oven temperature conversions. No more squinting while you're busy trying to make dinner. It's made from durable materials that can withstand daily wear. Now, some people felt it could be too large for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if visibility is your concern, this chart is a fantastic trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want something large and easy to read while cooking. Skip this one if you have limited space on your fridge. Alright, if size is a concern for you, the next product might fit your needs better.
Product number 4, Stainless Steel Measurement Conversion Magnet. Fourth on the list is the Sunhua Measurement Conversion Refrigerator Magnet, priced at $10.98. I found the stainless steel design quite appealing, making it look like a premium kitchen accessory. If you want something stylish yet functional, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The measurements are engraved, which means they won't rub off over time like printed ones can. It covers all the common units, like cups, tablespoons, and milliliters, making it an essential kitchen tool. Plus, it's compact at 11 centimeters by 8.5 centimeters, meaning it can fit in tight spaces while still being accessible. Now, some buyers complained about the size being too small compared to others on this list. Here's the thing, it's compact for a reason. If you're short on space but still need quick conversions, this might be exactly what you're looking for. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a sleek, durable design in your kitchen. Skip this if you're looking for something that stands out more visually. Now, if that last design wasn't your scene, the final product might just hit the mark.
Product number 5, Nash Kitchen Measuring Conversion Chart Magnet, priced at $7.95. I was drawn in by its bold design and usability. If you want a stylish yet practical chart, this could be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This chart covers a plethora of conversions, everything from dry weights to liquid measures. It's designed for quick reference, which can save you time when you're in the middle of cooking chaos. Made from water-resistant vinyl, it's easy to clean and maintain too. Spill something? Just wipe it down. Now, some folks mentioned the font could be a bit small for their liking. Here's the thing though, the large, bold fonts are designed to be easy to read at a glance, which should help with that concern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a practical tool with a stylish flair. Skip this if you need something that's exceptionally large to read easily. To wrap things up, all 5 products offer unique benefits for measuring in the kitchen, from quick conversion magnets to stylish stainless steel designs. Each serves a specific need, making them all worth considering based on your cooking style.
So there you have it. 5 different kitchen measurement tools, each catering to specific needs. Whether you're after something compact, stylish, or comprehensive, there's a perfect fit for everyone. Don't forget to measure your fridge space properly before making a purchase.